Fire Station 5. Fire 476 East Chicago, 476 East Chicago. The State Police Post.
What?
Is that the state troopers?
Nice.
Damn it.
Station 5, miscellaneous fire 476 East Chicago, 476 East Chicago. That's the State Police Post. Advising that the company was there. Flat portion of the roof was smoldering. They tried to get it out with the extinguisher. Just want to check. That's what police clear for stone at each unit. Station 5, miscellaneous fire 476 East Chicago, 476 East Chicago, near Oak Street, the Michigan State Police Department. Roofing company there advising that the flat part of the roof had been smoldering, that they have extinguished now.
Oh.
Would like to double check.
Oh, for
clear,
God's sakes.
check Tony.
Oh, you're not going to
535, 630, show this unit en route.
Good call again right between the tests.
535, you're en route 18.
So I might be delayed a little bit.
.535, Central 30, shows unit on scene.
Show units on scene.
535 on scene.
God, he's quiet today.
Central, be advised, nothing showing at this time. It is the State Police Post.
It is the State Police Post. Gee, didn't they say that earlier, Sherlock?
535 on scene, advising nothing showing. 14.
Okay, so get on with the siren test. That'd be Pearl.
Permission to continue siren test?
Yeah.
Please.
Permission granted. Okay, here we go, sending out tolls for the tornado warning. I'll say somebody burned out at 1050. The roof is on fire. Wait, what? It actually is? What are you guys doing here? We're here to check out a siren. Isn't that my job? I was like, yeah, but you're doing it poorly. I never saw you here.
He only showed up as I was leaving, actually.
That reverb, though. Now that could be a siren itself.
Kawasaki STH-10 right there.
Yeah. I seriously wonder how that recorder's holding up over there in Bob S. Yeah, the radio's awfully quiet for not doing a tornado warning signal. Like I said, I didn't even hear that in 2001. Poor thing shot the shit. If I'd known it was up the road, I would have looked to see what position it was.
I didn't even think about it.
I didn't either.
I'm like, oh, it's a 2001. It's gonna.
SRN. Nobody wants to see those. Especially when I got about 70 dead ones in my county. There's no listening stations. The following tones are the test of the tornado warning signal.
And my camera battery is slowly dying.
The camera is slowly dying. But the Thunderbolt is so delighting.
Since it won't just blow. Let's go, let's go, let's go. If I hit the lottery, I'd rent an apartment at this place and try to find a way on the roof.
Oh! Central 30, come on.
Out with it.
What?
Central, this is 503. Show fire under control.
Damn it! Oh! Fire under control.
All Station 5 personnel can hold at station.
Alright, let's get on with the test.
503 under control, 1820. Also, 503 permission to continue with siren test.
Yes!
503 to Central 30. That's affirmative. Go ahead and continue test.
Here.
That's clear, thank you.
I think we'll walk.
All listening stations be advised the following tones are a testament of tornado